Hi there. Could you introduce yourself and who you work for, please?
My name is David Crane. I'm the Production Director of Woodpecker Energy.
And could you explain what Woodpecker Energy do and what sort of technologies they offer?
Woodpecker Energy are a biomass boiler manufacturer, a UK boiler manufacturer, and we offer two types of technology, including the biomass, wood chip and wood pellet burning.
Okay, let's go have a look at the piece of equipment just in the background there.
Right, this is an example of one of our boiler range. This is a Woodpecker 50 kilowatt boiler with automated feed system. It's a standard biomass boiler. It has the same technologies as any other boiler. It runs from a single phase 16 amp supply, fed directly with wood pellets, and it will produce 50 kilowatts of heat, which is considered small commercial application. If I show you the inside of the boiler and how it works from the controls point of view, in here there's an electrical supply, and it has a PCB which controls the boiler and all of its functions, motors, fans, combustion, etc. It's fed through an automated feed system, which delivers pellets directly from an external silo, which can be any size, of any description, from any manufacturer. The boiler itself is very simple, very few components. It has a horizontal burner, which includes the housing of an ignition element, which you dictate the lighting. From that, you control the combustion, blows through into the bottom of the boiler. Then it's a standard boiler with a water jacket, heats up through a combustion chamber, through a heat exchanger, and out through the chimney, and feeding directly into premises for hot water and central heating. This is an example of a Woodpecker Energy smart boiler, Woodpecker Blaze we call it. It's a 199 kilowatt. This is mid-range to high-end commercial application. This is ideally suited for factories, yards, anything with a high need of heat. This is a wood chip boiler or a wood pellet. It's a multi-fuel boiler. This is broadband connected. It is very good remote control use. And the obvious advantage with this system is it uses biomass fuel, which is in turn claimable from the RHI, the Renewable Heat Incentive. We believe the payback on this sort of boiler to be upwards 20 to 30% return on your investment. The payback on the kit alone would be around 5 years, and then you have 15 years of paid for heat. It's an ideal application for anyone with commercial premises. The technology is such where it's a very clean burn, a very efficient boiler, well within the 90% mark, so there's very little waste within the boiler.
So David, could you just tell us where you're selling the technology? Is it available in the UK or globally?
Yeah, the boilers are predominantly available in the UK. We are a distributor and manufacturer of our own products, so you can buy directly from Woodpecker Energy and have Woodpecker Energy install them, or you can have an MCS accredited installer install on your behalf, and we distribute to that installer. So this can be done worldwide, Europe-wide, however you want, but predominantly at the moment we're a UK-based company.
Okay, fantastic. And where do you see the company and your biomass boiler technology going in 5 to 10 years' time?
In 5 to 10 years' time, I see an advancement in the fuel, which means the technology of the boilers would need to keep up with that. Obviously, we're not a competitor with gas at the moment, we're a competitor against oil. However, I see we need to be as competitive and as easy to install as gas. So I believe that's where the market needs to go. So the introduction of combination boilers, the ease of installation and the cheapness of installation needs to be very, very good. So for it to be the fuel energy of tomorrow, it needs to be just as good as the fuel energy of today. So it needs to compete with gas.
And do you see like sort of different measures that the biomass boiler industry can take to actually achieve that? Do you think that's going to be possible for you?
Yeah, absolutely. I believe it's possible. It needs to be very easy of install. The customers don't want to be looking after boilers. They need to be self-automated and work all day hassle-free, just like gas boilers do. So the better the technology, the better the controls, the more reliable the product, and it will be a hassle-free experience for the customer.
Thank you very much.